Hi, I'm Yash. Nowadays, an air purifier has become an absolute must for clean and fresh air indoors, especially during the pandemic. So, what is your idea of a cool technology which will keep you and your dear ones protected at home or at office? Okay, fine. Let me not quiz you. Let's get going with the most appropriate solution given by none other than the world leader in room air purification technology. Yes, I'm talking of SHARP-QNET Systems and their latest partnership with QNET to bring to you SmartAir Room Air Purifier. The product comes safely packed in an eco-friendly cardboard box. You can view the picture, the model number, and the important features mentioned below. Wow, I'm so excited about this air purifier. So, let's unbox it together, shall we? Alright, so here's the air purifier. Right off the bat, I must say it has a very sleek design. And the black color just makes it look perfect. Here you can see one of its special features, the Wi-Fi enabled IoT function that lets you control your air purifier from your smartphone. You can see the logo for the plasma cluster ion technology right here. This patented technology eliminates all viruses and bacteria, including coronavirus. Research shows that it can deactivate 91.3% coronavirus in just 30 seconds. And its efficacy has been certified by 33 global labs, including IIT Delhi. Moving on, let's take a closer look at the filters. There's a pre-filter that removes pet dander and large particles from the air. The deodorizing filter gets rid of bad odors, including cigarette smoke and VOCs in your home. Finally, we have the HEPA filter that removes all kinds of allergens and suspended particles in the air in just about 3 to 5 hours. So, if you're allergic to things like pollen, dust, mites, mold, or mildew, then this will be greatly useful for you. Alright then guys, let's put it all together and test the air purifier. The Smart Air Purifier is now ready to operate and purify the air. But before we switch it on, let's take a look at all the quick buttons on the air purifier and learn their functions. In my opinion, SHARP-QNET SmartAir is one of the best air purifiers in the market. With its 450 square feet coverage area, it is perfect for your bedroom or living room or even your office. Sharp's patented plasma cluster ion technology means the air purifier dispenses positive and negative ions in air and creates an environment replicating that of a forest, fresh and clean. At home or at the office, SmartAir is the best. Exclusively available in the QNET India eStore. Thank you so much for watching the video. Until next time, stay safe, take care, and breathe easy.